कर्नाटकाचे डायव्हर्जन जालें उदकाचें म्हणून 6 ऑक्टोबर 2020 ड्रोन फुटेज दाखोवन हांवें एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली. जंय डायरेक्ट उदक जें आहा तें नदी उरूंक ना, व्हाळच उरूंक ना, सादी अशें गटर कशें आसता स्ट्रीम तशी म्हादय उरल्या आमची. हें ड्रोन फुटेजीचेर मेळटा. हें आमी 6 ऑक्टोबर 2020 एक्सपोज केलें. आतां गोंयची 2 कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशनां आहा. एक कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन आहा 2018तलें आनी एक इंटरलोक्युटरी पिटिशन आहा 2020चें. दोनूय पेंडींग आहा सुप्रीम कोर्टान. स्पीकर सर, आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा जस्टीस डिलेड इज जस्टीस डिनायड. डिले जायत आहा आनी आमी सांगता कितें ना 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 डिस्कस करचें न्ही. स्पीकर सर, मुख्यमंत्री खूब
Honorable MLA,
1 minute, Speaker, sir.
1 minute. Since the matter is in the court,
maybe in the court.
listen, please. I request you, don't deliberate in detail. You just make your point.
I'm asking
No,
pointed
just make your
questions.
point on the calling attention.
I am asking pointed question. My
Just
question
ask
is,
one question.
why a lawyer who has betrayed the cause of Goa,
Okay.
retained, number
Okay,
one.
Minister.
Number one, 1 minute. Speaker sir,
Calling attention, you are going to raise how many questions?
I know what a calling attention is.
Oh, how many questions you are raising?
Under Rule 63, what
I
a calling
got it.
attention
I got
is,
it.
I know.
Yeah.
You all have sold mother.
Please, sir.
This is my charge.
Jay,
किती उलयता ते?
please wait.
Speaker sir,
ही डिक्टेटरशिप
No.
काय डेमोक्रेसी?
No, this is not.
अरे उलोवपाकूच दिना तुम्ही
Give
कशे?
you a chance, no?
कॉलिंग अटेंशन अलाव कित्याक केलें?
I allowed you.
What is
I allowed you to talk.
What is allowed? My
Nearly
question is not
6
over.
minutes you are talking.
Minister
Please sit
doesn't
down.
want to answer. He
Sit
should
down.
tell me he doesn't want to answer.
Sir, I'll give you.
No, no. the
You
question
raise your
is-
question.
But I'm not over.
Oh, raise your question.
I'm raising now.
Raise.
So you don't disturb me, Speaker sir.
I said raise one question.
The question is cannot be raised one. It is not a question.
Oh, you are going to
it
tell
is
the
a calling
full-
attention.
See, listen.
It is
I
about.
have already.
It is about more than mother to
I have
CM.
already told you the matter is
More
in the
than
court.
mother to me also.
I have told you the matter is in the court.
Arre, it
And
may be in the
actually-
court. Don't allow it.
I will
Speaker,
not.
you allowed it.
I will disallow.
Don't allow.
Disallow.
Don't,
Speaker, sir,
you don't
this
allow
type of
mother.
language is not
Walk out from
tolerated.
here. Shame on you.
Speaker,
Walk
sir.
out. Shame on you.
I
Shame on
gave
you.
you a chance.
Shame on
Speaker,
you.
sir.
Mother तुम्ही विकली.
Please sit down.
Please sit down. तुम्ही वकील
Step
हाडला
is
तुका
not
2010
tolerated.
बंद करपाक.
You sit down.
This is not tolerated.
You also got.
Insulting
What is the
speaker
toleration?
is not tolerated.
What is the tolerate? Show the rule.
Speaker, sir.
Please sit down.
What tolerate?
Please, nothing will go on the record, huh?
That did not go on
Please,
the
sir.
record.
Please sit down.
You all don't want to discuss any
Please sit
issue.
down.
You don't want to discuss double tracking. Don't want to discuss Madhai. Don't want to discuss coal. Don't want to discuss
I'm asking you to
linear
sit down.
projects. You don't want to discuss anything. You want to discuss some small thing.
I'm not going to
It is
listen.
your problem.
Speaker sir, listen to us.
Yes.
See, this is a calling attention. This is important calling attention.
Yes.
Chief Minister says matter is sub judice. We are not going to ask questions which will have impact on the matter in the sub. For example, I had asked 2 questions, which are very simple. We are not going to ask what is going to happen. We are going to ask on what has happened.
Boss,
ताजो इम्पॅक्ट
example-
हांव परत तेच रिक्वेस्ट करता ताजो इम्पॅक्ट त्या केसीचेर जावचो न्ही.
That is what we are saying.
परत तुम्ही ऍडमिट केले
No, no.
ना जाल्यार ऍडमिट केले ना म्हणटले असले.
No, no, एक minute. For
अरे ते व्हर्च्युअली घेवपाक
No, no.
सोदताले आमी सांगला ती इन पर्सन घे कारण व्हर्च्युअली जावची ना म्हणून मॅटर आहे.
I asked, Speaker sir, I had asked a simple question to the Chief Minister. This is with respect to visit to the ministry on 4th of November. And we said that he has written a letter to the Chief Minister that committee is being constituted. My question was whether committee has been constituted. If not, whether Chief Minister has taken it up with him as promised to all of us. Yet that reply given to you is a promise to the entire House committee or the all party committee. This has not, this has nothing to have to do with anything with the court.